friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Trader Joe's frozen mini French baguettes in the air fryer. So these baguettes are sold in the frozen section, and air fryer is the perfect tool to cook them straight from frozen. Super easy. Let's open up the package. And now let's take out the air fryer gasket and let's put French baguettes in the air fryer. So just put as many as fits in a single layer. Let me just do 4. And of course you can do less. And now I'm going to put the air fryer gasket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 4 minutes. Now air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these French baguettes. They look so good. They're perfectly heated and taste like fresh. So let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look at this mini baguette. I'm so excited about trying it. So let me just show you. So it's perfectly heated inside, so soft. Let's try it. Tastes amazing. Such a delicious bread with a crispy crust and very soft inside. It tastes like it's fresh from the oven, but it's straight from the air fryer. You put in a frozen baguette and the air fryer makes it taste like it was just freshly baked. This is so easy. This is a perfect shortcut to a warm, soft, delicious bread. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!